Today I'll be presenting to you on SQL operation and John logic. I use the Venn diagram to understand data relationship. Here is the Venn diagram I formed, NBA legend Venn diagram. Here are my data set key. Go to question 8. The most interesting finding. The most interesting finding I discovered in this Venn diagram is that Dennis Rowan and Ben Wallace are only in the defensive legend circle. They are not in the scorer MVP or championship circle. Despite being all-time great, this challenge the idea that greatness requires scoring. In SQL terms, this will be expressed as defense underscore if you query this, you will find them there in the query, in that query. Question 1. Choose any two or more data set which element. So now at that I'm going to choose MVP award A and top scorer C. Now here's the yet on that one here. Here's the MVP award. And here is the top scorer with a C in my Venn diagram illustration. So, so a union return all four elements from both data set combined. All players are here. Question 2. Intersects. 3 sets. So Shakuli Unir sat in the intersection of MVP A, multi championships B, and top scorer C, but not defensive legend D. He won 4 times MVPs, 4 championships, and average of 23.7 PPG for his career. Now, if you look here, you will see here. So, it's clear. So, in order to express this in SQL, in data query, this will be the exact query. MVP intersect multiple championship, and when we enter the query, you will see exactly this two name will come out. This name, this particular name will come out. Sergeant O'Neill. Question 3. Here's the question. Say, I choose all four data set, which is by accept. I choose all four data set. Alien version is Outlier. He is the top scorer, circle 26.7 career PPG, but he never won an MVP and never won an MVP. That resulted in a championship, never won a title, and was not known as a defensive legend. He represents top scorer. So if we want to query this in SQL, we will use this query. Top scorer, exceptional MVP, except multiple, and we will see this Allen Everson. This means Allen Everson is the preset scorer only in the data set. Now let's go to interjoin. The interjoin of all four data sets return only players found in every circle simultaneously. Those players are Michael Jordan, 5 MVP award, 6 championship, and so on. LeBron James, 4 MVPs award, 4 championship, 77.1 PPG, and so on. Kobe Bryant, 1 MVP, 5 championships, 25.0 PPG, and so on. These three are the only players who satisfy all four conditions at once. That's why they are in the middle here. Now, let's go to question 5. Left join. I choose MVP award A as left table and multiple champion B as the right table. I left join return all players from MVP cycle plus only the margin championship data from the and I came up with this. Now, then start. We are looking for what? MVP. MVP in SQL. If we run this query, we say no, but here we say no mark, but in SQL we say no. So Michael Jordan March, that's LeBron James March, Kobe Bryant March, uh, William Reed has championship match, and we see a lot of period matching MVP award and multi champions award. I go to the right John, question 6. I set two table MVP A and multi championship B. Right John return all players from the championship circle plus only those who mark the MVP circle. And here they are. No match. Let's say no, match, so on. Robert Robert Harris, Scott Pablo, and Dennis Rodman still appear, but with no in the MVP column. No in the MVP column. No one MVP. They appear, but no in the MVP column. Question 7. 4 join. Actual top scorer C. Defensive legend D. 4 join all elements from both data set with no expression. And here is my account. Scorer only, defender only, both scorer and defender only. And this is full join period. Every player from either circle appears exactly once, regardless of overlap. Here, my extra learning resources. Thank you to W3 schools. It helped me a lot on sending Red John, 4 John, and all the exception of period, beginning friendly, and virtual join. Here is it, the learning extra learning circle. My key takeaway is SQL John are usually just asking who belongs in both circles. That's simple as it is. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you to all my colleagues. Thank you to all the instructors who viewing this video. We are all still in the learning process. Gradually, we improve ourselves. Thank you for taking your time. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Oh, sorry. Then, in case you want to see my diagram in the video, I'm going to post it. But here's my diagram. Here's my Venn diagram I drew. So just so you know. Thank you. See you in the next video.